Good morning and welcome back to Oxford Woodworking. In a recent episode we made this primitive bench, but we did not finish it. In this episode we're going to do what we call a distressed finish. It's a very popular finish in both the primitive and the farmhouse style. If you've never done this before, you're going to be surprised how easy it is. So let's get it done. If you're building furniture to sell, you can sell it just like this, unfinished. But to really add value, you need to finish it. I received a comment on the video when we built the bench saying the screws should be hidden or plugged. I agree, and I always do that. You can see several methods in my earlier video on repairing surface defects, and if you watch closely, you'll see the filled screw holes in this video. For now, I'll assume you know what level of finish you're looking for, and in this episode, we'll just stick to the distress finish. There are only 3 steps to this process: a base coat, a top coat, and sanding. The base coat is what gives the finish highlights after we've sanded it. I prefer to use a dark base coat, but you can use a lighter base coat. In this case, I'm using an ebony stain. Once the base coat is thoroughly dried, you can apply a top coat. It should be a highly contrasting color because the greater the contrast, the better the result's going to be. You may want to apply more than one coat. Be sure to thoroughly cover that base coat. Now it's time to sand. Here I'm using a 220 grit sandpaper and a standard oscillating sander. Don't apply much pressure. This happens very quickly and you want to keep that sander moving. Also, when you do the edges, I prefer to do them by hand. The power sander is just a little too aggressive for the edges. It may take too much paint off. I hope you'll agree this is an excellent looking finish, one that you can be proud to sell, and one that will add value to your product. Don't be afraid to experiment with different colors, such as a darker finish with a lighter base coat. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel.